Internet technologies etiquette for e-communication. Because of the rapid improvement and increase in electronic devices, it is also necessary to review the etiquette rules surrounding the use of electronic devices. Some of the rules are: treating your cell phone or electronic device as your top priority. If the cell phone rings and you answer it in the presence of another person, it could give the message of the caller is more important than the other person. Not only is this annoying, but it is also rude regarding the manners that you have towards the other person. Forgetting that those around you can see and read on your electronic device screen. Never check your email, open a website, or play an electronic game in front of other people. The reason would be that they would be able to see what you are doing. That might not always be good for security. Never leave your laptop or electronic device unsecured. Do not make calls or receive calls from a noisy location. It is very annoying screaming into a phone or repeating the same line 3 times. Try to eliminate all background noise. If you happen to be in a location that is noisy, make an arrangement to call back later and in a more convenient time. Should you need to sneeze or cough, turn your head and cover both your mouth and the phone receiver. Place professional voicemail messages. Remember, how you answer your phone should be just as important as the voicemail that you leave. This makes a lasting impression. Check on your email netiquette. Do not give sloppy emails with grammatical errors. These emails are sent around the world in seconds, and that could have an impact on your reputation. Be specific and precise in every email communication sent. Your subject line is just as important as the email. Be precise. Avoid the overuse of punctuation and turn your spell check on. Update your social network profiles. If you join groups, be selective. Companies use social network profiles to identify which employees they would like to appoint. Inappropriate postings on social media could have a lasting bad effect on your future. The messages that you send on social networks should not be taken lightly. They become part of your reputation and can have a bad impact on anything you do in the future. Do not ignore missed calls or emails for long periods of time. That means that you are respectful when you return an email or a missed call. Do not allow a message to remain on your voicemail for more than 24 hours. When you receive an important email, give a quick response. Do not respond when you are upset. If you feel annoyed, wait at least 1 day before you reply. These are just some of the etiquette rules that proves responsible and professional behavior.